Hi, my name is Darren Larama, and I'm the principal of Jackson Elementary. And I just want to start by saying that we love our neighborhood school, but our building was built in 1948 and hasn't had a major renovation in almost 30 years. And we know that students learn best in a place that is open, accessible, well lit, and that fosters student creativity and collaboration. The hallways at Jackson Elementary are pretty dark. There's no natural light. The ceilings are low, and we don't have any breakout spaces. So when students want to work outside of their classroom, they're just sitting in the hallway at a table with everybody else walking by, and it's often quite distracting and disruptive to their learning. When these classrooms were added to Jackson Elementary decades ago, it created a floor that's only accessible by stairs behind me and then the sky bridge to my left. And so any student, community member, or staff member that can't navigate stairs can't access the 3 classrooms and the staff room on this floor.
Our building is not ADA compliant. The layout of the school with the various floor levels and no elevator requires students and visitors who cannot use the stairs to walk outside and around the building to access the other floors.
I would like a real classroom that's actually connected to the building and not portables that are not connected to the building.